what is going to spice up your presentation? And what do you want to know about the animations? All right. What else do we want? So you have animations.
You can put a board, a background.
Sound effects.
Maybe a movie.
Maybe a movie.
I want some music.
And you want some music. All good. So, we want to do what we're going to do on a new page, right? How do we do that?
New slide.
All right. There, new slide. This right here is actually your friend. If you stay over here, that says insert table, insert picture, insert clip art, insert chart, smart art, and media. Under the media, clip, music, videos, etc. Right? Now, I've had a lot of people come to me and ask me, can I put a video for YouTube in my PowerPoint? Right? No, you cannot. Right? It's not going to run from your PowerPoint. You can put a link, like any other link, into your PowerPoint, it will run.
Like a hyperlink?
Like a hyperlink, right? And then, of course, you know that requires you to have internet access. If you want to go somewhere that does not have internet access and put that in there, you don't have access to the video, right? What they mean is for it to be embedded in their actual PowerPoint. That requires it to not be on YouTube anymore. And there are some tools that can do that, but it's not recommended because technically you're stealing somebody's work unless it is called royalty free, or it's a Creative Commons page. Right? You see some people saying, you know, you're free to share, free to edit, whatever other things are. Pay me for this. All those songs that show up on YouTube. Yeah. None of you people do that, of course. Downloading music illegally. So I'm good. All right, but simply click on this and browse into the video you already have. It's going to insert your video in the PowerPoint. And as simple as that. The trick is when you move from here to another computer, the video file has to go with you so it knows what it's pointing at. All right. Okay. So again, I always recommend if you're creating a PowerPoint, you have media clips, drag all the media clips into the jump drive you're transporting, and then insert them from there. Because the path to the jump drive is going to be remembered, and that's what's going to link, right? So that's why I do this a lot. Documents, create new folder, put everything I want to work with inside.
So, Miss Wednesday,
Not at this point. If you start the night before, you might start to cry. All right. Take my video. Go to documents. I'm going to paste it in there. I want to put some music in there, so go there too. Paste that in. What else did they say you wanted? Pictures.
Well, animation, stuff like that on there.
Animations. Okay, so that doesn't require any of this. Alright, so I'm working everything out of that one file. So I save as, browse to that location, and work strictly out of here. Right? That's for example altered, save, bam. Alright, this is the one that isn't in my directory, so I'm going to get rid of that. I'm going to add the one from my directory and work everything from inside this folder. If I copy that entire folder to my jump drive, open another computer, it will pull it up exactly as it is. All of my media files will work. If I go to a computer that does not have these media files, it will not work. Right? You will see a blank space or an X or something like that. Right? So that's supposed to be the video. You can tell it to play a full screen. You can preview it right here.